So is the rest of the team, because they're all on call. Even the best hospitals average 90 minutes or more. But at the DMC, Cardio Team 1 is on site to stop your heart attack in half the time. So why wait for other hospitals when DMC Cardio Team 1 is already there waiting for you? DMC Cardio Team 1. Make sure your heart's in the right place. Go to Detroit.
If you had a mouse in your home, you'd trap it. Well, you have things like dust mite debris, bacteria, pollen, and mold spores circulating in the air in your home. A Filtrete high-performance filter traps 90% of them. An ordinary filter, just 20%. 90 versus 20. It's your home. Trap them. Trust Filtrete filters, the filter brand people trust most. Go to Filtrete.com and save $3 with mail-in rebate.
The Detroit Red Wings, by the numbers, 11 Stanley Cups, 18 straight playoff appearances, and for Wings fans, here's another important number, 313-396-7575. Make the call now for season ticket plans, and don't miss the hottest action in hockey town, or any town. Choose your game plan, full season, 19 games, or 9 games, and save up to 26% off box office prices. Call 313-396-7575 or go to DetroitRedWings.com now.